too flush when you walk, Eddie?
Actually, no.
So Eddie, how long has this been going on for?
I had the surgery in 2009.
2009.
Stupid.
And the surgery messed you around?
Yeah.
You see that scar there? That's the old surgery where they've trimmed the disc off. But as you can see, he's probably as bad as ever. He's got this massive puddle of fluid down here, right over the sacrum. That's where the nerve pressure's coming from. This type of pain is the worst type of pain. Nerve pain is the worst you can get. Yeah. So just do whatever you've got to do to get comfortable, and I'm just going to go and bring you x-rays. This is the disc here that's in trouble. That's the one on the MRI that says the disc is bulged, and in assessment that's where the edema is as well, and that's where the exquisite tender point is. So from this we're going to get our line of drive.
I feel like I'm stoned of all the medicine, man. Nothing's killing it.
You're on 6 to 8 endone a day. Naproxen, Lyrica as well.
And Valium. Twice a day. And he's got the patch on his back.
There's pretty much no medication that can really take that pain away. See that jump? Yeah. Every time. Do it one more time. Boom, see that? Yeah. It's a really clean break right on that L5. Can you see how much fluid there is around there? Saw there, mate?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's it there. That went down your leg? Yeah, that's where the nerve pressure is. So that's where we need to correct the spine to get the pressure off the nerve for you. We've got to get you as straight as possible, because it's really important that we don't put any rotation in this disc here. It's all millimetres and degrees. We've got to find the exact pinpoint contact spot. That's it there. Now, the way we manage to do this without upsetting anything is to make a very shallow but specific correction using a lot of speed. So I just need to use my leg to hold everything in the right place and protect your spine. And I bring you right over in one go like that, so everything's still straight. And I'm going to give this a little push. Just push yourself up sideways. And just get your balance, because you might feel a bit lightheaded. And have a little walk down the hall and back.
Sorry?
So you were saying before, Eddie, you've done a lot of boxing?
I was the captain of the Commonwealth Games team.
Yeah?
In Auckland.
In Auckland?
Fought in the Olympics in Seoul.
Seoul Olympics?
Yeah, and I fought professionally. Won 5 Australian titles.
Oh, so you've done a lot of it, haven't you? You used to train with Jeff Fennick?
Yeah, I was his sparring partner for about 12 years, all of his career.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you've definitely used your body a lot then, haven't you? Oh, I got it. That was good. Alright, Eddie. It feels strange letting someone beat you up, doesn't it? Just walk around, walk up and down with that down there, mate. We've got to get some movement to try and push some fluid out of the disc.
It's looking better.
Feels better.
Yeah, you look quicker.
Feels a lot better now. Just felt better, Doc.
Good, mate. We make the correction here, but the healing gets done outside of here. But you need to do enough movement to push some fluid out of the disc and shrink it down, without doing too much that you blow the disc up and make it swell. Yeah, so that's good. Now jump back up again, and I'm just going to get you to walk this way. See how his spine's straightening up now, and he's got his torso over his sacrum?
Yeah.
And see how if you draw a line from his chin to his chest to his middle of his shorts, it falls through the middle of his legs?
Yeah.
Well, before his whole thorax was off. He's really balanced now. Back on track, isn't he? Awesome. So before there was this massive puddle of fluid here. Now there's still some fluid there, but it's nothing like what it was before. So already that fluid's getting reabsorbed into his system. And you know what the other good thing is? When when I put my finger in there and I sort of bring it up underneath where the top of the sacrum is, where that L5 disc is, and I lean him back, he's actually letting me bring him over now. Oh, there's not a chance I could have got him to come over that. So that means we've got a lot of pressure off the disc, and it also means we've got a lot of pressure off that exiting nerve root. So what it means is his body's healing, and it doesn't need a correction today. We need to leave him alone. See, look at this, you know, his spine is just, it's sitting straight over itself now.
Yeah, it wasn't to start with.
And he's got weight on both hips, like he couldn't even take his body weight on a chair.
Yeah.
So that's good, Eddie. Stand up, and so you're pretty much back to square one, aren't you?
Yeah.
Cool. And
Off all his painkillers.
Off
yeah,
everything.
off them all.
Everything.
Everything, mate.
10 days ago you thought you were having surgery, so that's
Surgery.